Welcome to Breezy. Let's talk about questionnaires, a powerful tool for collecting information and screening candidates. A questionnaire is a set of custom questions you can send to candidates, either with the initial application or at a later stage. A Breezy questionnaire is so much more than an application form, though. You can use questionnaires to send targeted questions to candidates who reach a certain hiring stage, or to automatically request references from the contacts provided by a candidate. Better yet, you can automate parts of your screening process by moving applicants to different stages based on their answers. You can choose from several response types on your questionnaires to best fit the info you need to collect. Text responses are perfect for short-form answers. These can be used when you're expecting responses from one word to a couple of sentences. Paragraph responses are great for longer-form answers. There's no character limit, and candidates can enter multiple paragraphs. With a multiple choice or drop-down list, the candidate will select the best answer out of the options you provide. You can customize the actions associated with each option, like automatically moving candidates to a particular stage based on their response. Checkboxes let candidates select each option or category that applies. These are helpful for questions that could have multiple responses. Video responses give you a chance to connect with candidates more personally before a live interview. You provide a prompt or question, and the candidate responds with a brief one-way video recording. With the reference check option, you can ask your candidate to provide contact info for as many references as you like. You can even have Breezy check the references for you. If you check the Auto Verify option, Breezy will automatically email the contacts with a set of questions for them to respond to. The file attachment option is perfect for having candidates upload work samples, credentials, or other documentation. You'll need admin permissions to create and edit questionnaires, or a custom company role that includes the permission. To get started, click the gear icon in the left sidebar. Hover over Recruiting Preferences and click Questionnaires. To create a new questionnaire, click the Add Questionnaire button at the bottom of the list. Enter a name and add questions for each item you'd like to include. Remember, if you use multiple choice or drop-down questions, you can choose an action to associate with each option, like moving the candidate to a different stage or even a different position. Now, if your questionnaire will be included with an application form, you won't need to worry about the next couple of options. But if you'll be sending it in later stages, you can choose whether to have candidates move to a different pipeline stage after they complete it. For example, if your questionnaire is designed to collect a sample of the candidate's work, you might move them to a review stage in your pipeline once they've submitted their sample. Plus, you can customize the default email message that will be included when you send the questionnaire. There are several ways to get your questionnaire out to candidates. You can include it with an application form, send it to a specific candidate from their profile, or send it automatically when a candidate reaches a certain stage. No matter how you send your questionnaires, you'll always be able to find a candidate's responses on the Questionnaires tab of their profile. To use a questionnaire as part of an application form, just select it when you create the position, or add it later in the position settings. To do that, open the position settings from your dashboard, or open the correct position from the positions list and click the gear icon in the top right corner of the window. Click Application Form on the left sidebar and find Available Questionnaires. Then choose a questionnaire from the drop-down. If the questionnaire you need doesn't already exist, you can click Add Questionnaire and create it right here. Click Save Changes, and your questionnaire will be included on any new applications. Bonus tip: using the right question types can help ensure you're getting as many applicants as possible. Keep these tips in mind. Use only a single section on your questionnaire. Stick with text and choice questions, and avoid using video responses and file upload questions. If you want to use multiple sections or collect files and video early in the screening process, consider sending your questionnaire by email or with a stage action as soon as candidates reach your applied stage, instead of including it with the application. You can send questionnaires to individual candidates right from the Questionnaires tab or the Messaging tab of their profile. To send from the Questionnaires tab, just click Send Questionnaire and choose the right one from the list. Your candidate will receive an email with the message you created back in the questionnaire settings, plus a link to the questionnaire. You can delay or schedule when it's sent, but you can't customize the message that goes along with it. If you'd like to be able to customize that message that's sent with your questionnaire, or include things like attachments, scheduling links, or other recipients, send your questionnaire from the Email SMS tab on the candidate's profile. Choose your message type and click the Insert menu, then Questionnaires, and choose the right questionnaire. Customize the message and timing if you need to, and click Send. If you'd like to send a questionnaire to every candidate who reaches a certain pipeline stage, you can do that with stage actions. To add a stage action for a specific position, open that position and click the More menu for the stage where you want to add the action. Click Edit Stage Actions, find Send Questionnaire from the list of available stage actions, and click Add to choose the right questionnaire. To add a stage action for a company-level pipeline, you'll need to start in your recruiting preferences. Click the gear icon in the left sidebar, then Recruiting Preferences, then Pipeline Stages. Find the right pipeline and click the Edit icon to the right of its name. Find the correct stage and click the Edit icon for that, then add the Send Questionnaire stage action. Customers and certain plans have access to advanced questionnaires, which take automated screening a step further. Advanced questionnaires use multiple sections, each with a question or list of questions. Depending on how a candidate responds, your questionnaire can jump them ahead to another section to ask them a set of more targeted questions. It's a really efficient way to help candidates skip irrelevant questions and stay engaged all the way through. Learn more at help.breezy.hr.